Say, good morning, Auntie. Say, good morning, Tita. Good morning, Tita. Come on. Good morning, guys. Ayan. Ready na si King kasi may lakad kami this morning. Bali, ano lang, nalakad yung may importante lang kami na pupuntahan. At saka uwi na din kami agad. So, magpe-prepare na ako ng breakfast lang ako for today's vlog. Kasi mainit sa labas. At saka kailangan ko ng yung gusto ko yung matiwasay yung aking pananamit. Yung yung komportable ako kapag naglalakad. Kasi maglalakad ako eh. So, would you like to eat bread and milk? Bread and milk? Bread and milk for today? What do you want? Cereal?
Yeah.
Cereal? And milk?
Yeah.
You don't want bread? Christian, cereal or bread? Okay, with milk. Of course, mommy with milk. Okay, coming up. Another chismis, another vlog. Pero before that, gusto daw ni King ng cereal. So, i-prepare ko siya ng cereal. Kasi gusto daw niya. Tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, ano ba gusto mo? Bread or cereal? Sabi niya, cereal. So, let's prepare this for King. And yung kape ko muna. Iayusin ko yung kape. Yan guys, sana magandang araw niyo today. And thanks for watching sa aming vlog kahapon na The Other Vlogs. Hope makikita ko pa rin kayo dito sa aking vlog. At continue support po sa aming channel. Yan, so simmer natin ito na 5 minutes. There we go. So nag-prepare ako ng bread. Akala ko gusto niya. Pero mag-prepare pa rin ako ng bread kasi in case lang na ayaw niya ng cereal. So, ilalagay natin ng bread, biscuit spread. Sobrang liwanag. So, yan na. Lagay konti na spread. Ito yung bread ni King. Saka cereal na guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos guys ha. Baka sabihin nyo, grabe naman to si Tintin. Hindi ba na nag-ayos? Ako harap na sa camera. Yan ang reality guys. Hindi naman pwede na magpaganda-paganda ka talaga every time nasa video tayo, diba? So, the reality, kung ano ang itsura, yun talaga, diba? Hindi tayo pwede maging magic gun. Sabihin, I forgot, kailangan pala niya ng milk. My son's breakfast. Mamaya na yung prutas niya, guys. Kasi, kapag ilagay ko sabay ang prutas, minsan hindi inubos yung food niya. Prutas na lang kakainin niya. So, which is, yung calories niya. Come on, King. Go down now and sit down, please. Come on. Yeah, it's time to eat. Be careful with your clothes, okay? I don't want your clothes to be dirty, okay? Because we're going out. See, you said you want cereal and now you're eating your bread. No, put your bread here. It's dirty there. So guys, magkakape muna ako at saka ayusin ko tong aking buhok kasi parang ang gulo. Nag-shower na din ako eh, pero hindi ko na winash yung buhok ko kasi winash ko na to kagabi. Dry talaga yung buhok ko guys, oh. Grabe ang dry. Ano kaya kung kulayan ko to ulit? Kasi ang dry eh. Mabuti pa dyan sa Pinas guys kasi mura lang yung nagpapariband dyan. Dito mahal. Kaya mahal dito sa Pilipinas 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 nga, di ba? Siguro 3,000. Hindi ko alam ha. Hindi ko alam yung price ngayon kasi di pa ako nakauwi sa Pinas for 5 years. So, 5,000 siguro. Kasi last time na-revive ko sa Pinas, pag at least mga 2,500 lang. Year 2018 yun. So, how much more ngayon? Di ko alam. Baka may idea kayo guys. Comment down below. Kasi wala na talaga ako idea about sa Pinas. Kasi wala na ako hindi na ako nagpariband for 5 years. So, ito talaga, ibig sabihin, ito talaga yung original hair ko. Ito yung original hair ko, guys. Hindi naman, okay na naman siguro. Pero, ito nga lang nagsisi ako sa nilagay ko na nilagay ko na bangs din naman. Nakakairita. Are you ready? Yes! Are you ready to go out? So guys, tapusin ko muna yung kape ko, tapos ayusin ko yung buhok ko at saka ready to go na kami ni King. Okay guys? Coffee! Tatanong kayo guys, kumusta yung kamay ni King? Show to them! Show to titas your hand! Because mommy gonna change the dressing. Okay, gonna change the dressing. Takot siya nahawakan yung kamay. Yan, gonna change your dressing. Right, so i-change natin yung dressing ni King sa kanyang kamay. So ito na, nag-cut na ako ng Band-Aid. Right, so give me your hand please. Right, show to auntie your boo-boo. Look, tingnan nyo guys, Tingnan nyo guys, Open. Show to auntie. That's it. Maliit lang naman, pero alam mo na, arte. Sakit pa sa bata. Okay, let's change the dressing na. Is it painful? Oh. Okay, mommy gonna change the dressing. Nice and clean. Come on. Just slowly. That's it. Look, it's dirty. Right. We're gonna change now, guys. Change the dressing. Baby, open. Next. One more. We're gonna make an X. One more, an X. Nice and clean. Is it Awi? Is it still Awi? Awi. Right, show to titas na. We've done it, titas. Show to titas. Oh, say hi, tita. Hi. How are you? So, guys, ayan na. Naayos ko na yung dressing sa kamay ni King. So, alis na kami. Alis tayo, guys. Dito na kayo. Dito na kami sa labas. Ito yung sinasabi ko na guys, na highway na kung saan hindi kayo mag-shortcut ni King. Busy talaga. Kaya nangihilo naman ako. Bilis ako mapagod. Hindi healthy. Parang hindi healthy. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ko na nadaanan pag hindi kami mag-shortcut ni King. Yung busy. Grabe. Excited na naman si King kasi lumabas na naman. Meron na kaming pakay doon, guys. Maliit siya na town. So meron kaming pakay doon na importante. So important. Kaya alis kami ni King doon. Punta kami doon. Hindi naman malayo para sa akin. 26 minutes, 23. It's not far. Si King hindi na natigil magsalita. So yan, dito kami sa talaga. Busy dito, guys. May bagong laruan naman si King. Dito kami, guys, nag-antay kami dito sa time ng appointment namin.
Look at! Mommy, at that!
Cover. I think that's a cover for her. You enjoying your toy?
Huh?
You enjoying your toy?
You what? Yeah.
Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Nakabalik na kami ni King. How you play that? How you play this?
I haven't. Mommy, I haven't. Fix it.
I don't know how to fix it. I think this is for melting chocolate. Come on.
Come on.
No, the one, the chocolate maker. Chocolate maker, yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate. Oh, no. Where did you go?
I don't know where to go that one is.
Huh?
Put this in. Inside here. Yeah. Is that the place to be? What color is that? Hey, Christian, what color is this? Oh, Christian doesn't know the color of this. Oh, very good. Okay, let's say familiarizes the colors. What about this? What color is this? Red. What about this? What color? What color? What color, Christian? Come on. What color is this? What color is this? Christian, what color is this? Blue. Meron akong issue dito sa damit ni King. Kasi ngayon sa juice na ininom niya, nag-ano yung puti. Ano, nagkamantsa ang puti niya. Naku, paano ko ito tatanggalin? Naisip ko paano ko ito tanggalin kasi sira na yung puti ni King. Mili kasi ako sa puti, ah. Tapos pag nagka-problema, hirap na tanggalin, no? Ano tatanggalin dito, guys? Wala dito ang chlorine. Walang oxalic dito sa UK. Tsaka anyway, hindi ko alam. Ito pa meron sa baba. Meron pa. And, bili ako ng mga Pepsi na diet. Kasi nga, ang init. Ilabas ko na itong yung nasobra na beans. Para, accident happened again. Oh my god, ang milk, guys, na ano. Shucks me. Ang gatas. Tulungan niya ako. You want to wipe? Okay. Wipe it. Oh, very good, King. Come on, wipe. Help, mommy. Yep, that's a milk. That's fine. Ah, ang galing naman ni King. Kasi guys, naruan ko yan si King na kapag may basa, may ganun, punasan, kaya talagang natuto na rin siya. Oh. Well done, King. You're helping mommy. Yeah. There's more. There's more. Can you wipe it out?
Okay.
Wipe out, please. Thank you. Thank you, King. I know. O, diba? Marunong na si King maglinis. May katuwang na ako, guys. Oh. Ayan. Very good. Well done. There you go. Well done, King. Thank you. Oh. That's enough na. Okay, Mami, gonna continue na. Okay? Nagawa ako. Ginutom kami ni King, guys. Kasi about lunch naman time na. Lunch time na. So, gagawa na lang ako ng sausage at saka beans. Brunch na to. At saka ano ako ng egg. Scrambled egg ako. Gawa ko ng scrambled egg. Kasi lunch time naman. So, yun na lang. Lunch time na eh. Ginutom ako, guys. Doon sa inayos namin ni King. Importante kasi yun, hindi pwedeng hindi ma-attend. Yung appointment namin kanina is very important yun, guys. It's all about, yun, sa personal yun, guys. So, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin muna. Kasi, hindi yun siya pwedeng i-share natin. Kasi meron din talagang bagay, guys, na pwede kong share dito sa vlog namin. At meron din na yung mga dapat na mga privacy mo. So, yun. Mag-beat muna ako ng eggs. Napadami ata ng mantika, guys. Sige lang. Ay, napadami ng mantika. Grabe. So, yan guys. Sausage na ako ngayon. Maluto na ako ng sausage. So, lalaga ko muna siya pa konti. Tapos, tanggalin ko yung tubig. Tapos, lagyan ko ng mantika. Mommy! Let's eat, King! Christian! Ito, guys. Merienda ni King Strawberry. Sorry. So, that's your request, sir. Strawberry. What did you say?
No.
Try, is it sweet?
No, they're it.
Sweet. Try.
It.
Have a bite.
No.
Have a bite. Try. How was it? Is it cold? It's from fridge though. Is it alright?
Good.
Is it good?
Good.
Is it good?
Pretty good.
So what you gonna say to mommy? You forgot to say thank you. Say thank you, mommy. Oh, Christian forgot to say thank you, mommy.
Daddy, Mom.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Enjoy your strawberries.
Bye.
Okay. Say thank you for watching.
What's it?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah.
See you tomorrow. Mwah.
Ma.
Kiss, give a kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. I said flying kiss. Flying kiss. This is a flying kiss. Mwah.
Ma.
Okay, bye.
Bye.